Hi, good day. Lamidi from justvideomarketing.com. In today's video, I am going to be taking you through how to create eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube channel. And we're going to be using a service called Canva. So if I just go to Canva, and just log in. This is the Canva interface, and as you can see, Canva gives you the opportunity to design various things for either your social media, for your website, and you name it, you can design here in Canva. Let me just do create design here. As you can see, whether you want to post something on Instagram, YouTube video ad, YouTube icon, infographics, TikTok video, you name it, you can start designing your graphics right here on Canva. So as we are going to be looking at thumbnails for YouTube, I'm just going to create design and just show you how easy that is to create. So we're just going to do YouTube thumbnail. So it gives us the default. So that's the default size for a YouTube video. You can also name it. So I'm just going to say YouTube thumbnails samples. So if you are stuck for ideas, you can also come right here, and if you've got a music channel, food channel, beauty channel, you can always start here. Tutorials, travel, you name it, you can always start here. But I'm just going to create one from scratch because that's what I always do. So the first thing I'm going to do is possibly just use a background. So and you can always lighten the background. So let's go for something like that, and then I can come down here to elements, and I get a variety of elements that I can use. So let's say, let me just say something like this. Let's say I have a channel to do with digital marketing. I can do something like that. I can use a picture as well. So this helps with branding, so I can come here and use that picture. I can do some effects on this picture, so I can take away the background. So you can see I've taken away the background, so it blends with the background that I have. I can use filters. I can use some filters on this, so I can try different filters. I like Afterglow one, so because it gives a crisp picture of the person. Another thing I can do is under effects, I can put a shadow. So what I can do is I can put a shadow around. You can see, increase the size. And something else I can do is again, just play around. I'm just doing something that's, and then I can just go and say text. I can put a text on this. This is something like data for all your digital marketing needs. Again, this is just off the top of my head, so you can center that if you want. Let's say our lady has called Lulu. Creators for all your digital marketing needs. You can change the font. So, something else you can do on this is you can put effects on it. As you can see, so more or less do whatever you like. And the great about this is you can even do this for your clients as well. You can change this. So let's do a copy. Again, I'm just improvising here. I think we just take the one. And there you have it. Again, this is just a sample. And if you're not happy with the background, you can always change the background. You can put it green. For YouTube, I suggest you don't use anything red. Put it blue, different shades of blue, as you can see. And yeah, once you're done, you can just download it. And then you can just upload it to your channel. Again, this works for all different types of content you want to create on Facebook. Here are some of the ones that I've created. I'm just going to show you. And I've only been doing this for just a week, so I'm no expert, but I've done enough to not have to get somebody on Fiverr to do them from. There's one that I created just before I shot this video. This one is actually the one I've got on this video right now. There's some other ones that I've created. So as you can see, they are really eye-catching. This was actually one of the templates that came with Canva, and yeah, you just go ahead and practice. The more you practice, the more good you get at this thing. So yeah, that's how to create what I would call eye-catching thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube channel. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time, and hit that notification button so that you get more notifications when I drop a lot more content. With that said, hope you've enjoyed this, and see you. And one more thing in the link below, if you want to try out Canva, you can do so. There's a free trial, I believe, so you can check this out. And yeah, hope you like it, and see you some other time. Bye for now.